Most people can't think clearly. That's why they're poor, reactive, and lost. But the Stoics, Marcus Aurelius, Seneca, Epictetus, had something rare: absolute mental clarity. In a chaotic world, that clarity made them unstoppable. You want to rise? You want wealth, power, respect? It starts with your mind, and the Stoics mastered theirs like soldiers. What is clarity? Clarity is the ability to see things as they are, not as you wish they were, not as your emotions distort them, but reality, pure and raw. It's not just mental hygiene. Clarity is a weapon, and the Stoics sharpened it daily. Most people lack clarity because they let their mind get fogged by opinions, by noise, by TikTok, by fear, by dopamine. But Marcus Aurelius, he started his day writing, "You have power over your mind, not outside events. Realize this, and you will find strength." Clarity is strength. Because once you control your perception, you can control your response. And control is rare. Control is valuable. Control is power. 3 daily Stoic practices for laser focus and clarity. 1. Morning reflection. Ask, what can I control today? What must I let go of? This instantly clears 80% of mental clutter. 2. Journaling brutal truths. Like Seneca, write out your fears and assumptions. When you expose them, they lose power. 3. Stillness in chaos. Epictetus said, "It's not what happens to you, but how you react to it that matters." That space between stimulus and response, that's where clarity is born. Before you make any decision, business, fitness, social, ask, is this emotion or clarity? Breathe, step back, observe. You'll start seeing things others miss. While they react, you'll respond. While they spiral, you'll execute. And that's how the Stoics dominated, not with force, but with focus. Clarity isn't found, it's forged daily, ruthlessly, through discipline. Master that, and you become dangerous. And if you're ready to train your mind like the Stoics trained theirs, download my ebook, Master Your Mind, a tactical guide to building unshakable focus, clarity, and control in a chaotic world. Because if you can rule your mind, you can rule the world.